Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long back. So this video I'm going to discuss about that charting scanner for an intraday, which I already created based on the ADR indicator. So now we have some modification on this particular scanner with an intraday dashboard only for a 15 minutes. So it's by my student request who are on my group. So only 15 minute scanner that I'm going to discuss you here in this video. That was purely for an intraday purpose and that is working well for breakout, and that I'm going to discuss in this video how to use that ADR scanner with this trading view indicator. Okay, so simply we are just creating the ADR indicator on charting, and by using that indicator we derive dashboard. Okay, so by using this particular dashboard we should find out opportunities on the first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes and third 15 minutes. Previously we used 5 minutes. Some people were finding out on the 5 minutes time frame, so very quick move which is happening. So but 15 minutes we have some time to place the orders, and some time to wait for the breakout also. But 5 minutes we need to do very quick, first 5 minutes, second 5 minutes, third 5 minutes. In this dashboard I'll be using first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes and third 15 minutes, both bullish side as well as bearish side. So we use two level of indicator which is looking for breakout. And one more thing which I'm finding out, if that level is very tight, you can see the 5 period as well as the 10 period. So that is also one more indicator which I'm trying to create. You can look at this in the Divi's laboratory at this day. So both the levels, if I'm going to show you the both the areas values, it's nearby equal. So just about a 50 paisa different, and higher level, lower level. But here there is some difference of 10 rupees today. It's a one more indicator which is going to come on our YouTube channel and next video. But as of now, this video I'm going to discuss. Okay, so based on the concept, we find out a lot of opportunity in the call side, but only in put side. What we used simply, so BEL is the topmost stock which created on the first 15 minutes, which is closed above to our level. Okay, so you can see the higher ADR, whichever is higher, either it may be 5 or either it may be 10, whichever is higher, we finding out that ADR closing about to the first 15 minutes candle. We are looking on first 15 minutes candle. If any stock which closes about to the level on the first 15 minutes, the stock would be listed on the dashboard. So what I'm just simply looking for, if the stock breaks that high, okay, so maybe that candle low should be my stop loss, or the below to the lower ADR in the higher side, which one is lesser I can go for. But if any stocks having a bigger stop losses, simply ignore it because it is purely an intraday. We don't want to take a high risk on this. But in this case, the stock is not triggered our entry point, and finally it looks like a range bound, but we don't have an opportunity. But the stock is formed, which is filtered by the scanner. And the second one is Deepak Nitrate and Euro Motor Corp. So let me go for Deepak Nitrate. It given you the breakout after 12:30. So from that breakout, it just simply moved some moves, a very quick scalping which we can plan by using this method. And the Euro Motor Corp. So let me go for Euro Motor Corp. That is also given you the breakout 4035 and a maximum went to 4070, 35 points movement. That was a good for an intraday, but big stop loss. And SRF Tata Consume. So let me go for ASRF and not given you the breakout. Tata consumer product, and that is given you the breakout after sometimes later, maybe 1011, and it went up to 1017, very few. But if you are looking at this, stop loss is very big, maybe ignorable, or if you are keeping that low as a stop loss, but finally it closed 4 rupees lower from our entry point. So this is what a past 15 minutes. And TVS Motor and HDFC AMC are those stocks. Let me check whether, yeah, TVS Motor given you the breakout, and maybe if you are keeping the stop loss below the ADR level, that can be triggered your stop. And after that breakout, it not moved much, very few points, but again it is closed about to the ADR, maybe intraday. And one more stock is about HDFC AMC. But here near we are closing of the contract, we are not going to try for a option trade because the time decay would be very fast if you are looking for a option trade. This is not broken the high. Instead of breakout, it is entirely reversed back from the top. In the first 15 minutes candle, these are all the stocks. In second 15 minutes, Aarti Industries and Alchem Laboratories are those stocks. Aarti Industries, Aarti Industries, ARR. Aarti Industries. That was second 15 minutes candle. The high is broken. You can look at the stop loss is very small. It is not a very big candle. So maybe keep below the low, and that was giving you such a big move from 616 to 634. Okay, so next one more stock is Alchem Laboratories, which is happening on the second 15 minutes. That high is not broken. So we don't have any breakout opportunity in this particular stock based on this ADR closing. And third 5 minutes, we have a Tata Chemical and Lara's Lab. Tata Chemical and Lara's Lab is the third 15 minutes. That is around 10 o'clock. The third candle, that high is broken. Such a giving you almost a good movement, more than 40 points. And Lara's Lab. There's a one more thing. That is third 15 minutes candle. That given you the breakout, maybe the low. So very small stop loss. That is also giving you some 7 rupees move. And Divi's Lab, NMDC. These are all the stocks which is happening at 10 o'clock. That is in third 15 minutes. That is also giving you good movement on Divi's Lab and NMDC. So one more thing, third, and the high is broken but not moving towards very big. And this is an intraday stop loss also not triggered. Okay, so it is closed with minimum loss or what we are looking for. Stop loss is not triggered and closed with the minimum loss. So based on this, we can simply find out such an opportunity for our intraday. And in a downside, we don't get any first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes. And third 15 minutes, we got it. One more stock is about Maruti, and it is a downside. So we need to look for a breakdown below the level. So here it is not given you the breakdown. So there is no opportunity on this. And best scanner which I find out that was giving you such a good result in options and intraday equity also. Maybe you can use either equity trading or intraday options also. Only if you are looking for an option trade, so you should select only a quality and liquid stocks. That should be very important. If you are not selecting a liquid one, so maybe a problem with the option. And the last week of expiry, we normally not doing any option trades, and we should wait for the next week to came for a new opportunity on January 24 contract. So as of now, so the scanner is working good, and equity that is also working better. And this is what a new one more dashboard, so which is going to be updated on paid Telegram group. So you can access this also for a purely a 15 minutes intraday concept, which I'm going to apply with this ADR indicator. I hope you enjoyed this session, and thank you so much. And if you are not subscribing the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any other questions and doubt, just comment on the comment box below. Thank you.